Welcome to Unit 3 Algebraic Expressions, Math Grade 6 First Term 2024. Now it's turn to lessons 4 to 6, Ordering of Operation and Exponent. Okay, we will learn about what's exponent are. Number 2, Evaluating Algebraic Expression, and finally application on algebraic expression. This is part number 1. Let's get started. Learn number 1, repeated multiplication. We called it exponent. Okay, what exponent and what is exponent? Is a mathematical form of or for repeated multiplication. What's repeated multiplication? That's mean we have an operation, okay, consists of times. It's called repeated multiplication, more than one operation of times, okay, and it's the same number, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Now we have a mathematical form, okay, but it's repeated multiplication. We convert it to what? To exponent. Okay, exponent consists of two parts. One part called base and the other part called exponent or power or index. How can I convert multiplication or repeated multiplication to exponent? What is the number repeated here? It's 2. 2 is called base. Okay? And what's the number of 2? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We put 5 here up to the right of 2 and we call 5 as exponent or power or index. Now I convert the repeated multiplication to exponent form. Okay, let's see this example. We have repeated multiplication 5 by 5 by 5 by 5 by 5 by 5. So 5 is the base. And what's number of 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We put 6 here and we called it exponent or power or index, and I prefer power. Okay. More example, 8 by 8 by 8 by 8. We have base 8 and power of 4. Okay, so the other way, if we want to convert the exponent form to multiplication form, we have base 2 repeated 5 times. So 2 by 2 by 2 by 2 by 2. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have exponent form or repeated form. It's the same result. Okay. Product of repeated multiplication can be written in 3 forms. Okay, now we have expanded form. The expanded form consists of the repeated multiplication 2 by 2 by 2 by 2. Okay, so we have times 2 4 times. Okay, the next form is exponential form by using the exponent form. Okay, we have base 2, the repeated number is 2 and the number of repeated is 4 times. Okay, the last form is a standard form, or I call it simplest form. Simplest form means the product. Okay, now any number to the first power, is itself. What does that mean? We know that here we have 2 power 4. 2 power 4. Okay? We have here, it's the exponential form. I can convert it to expanded form, 2 by 2 by 2 by 2. Exponential form to expanded form. So what is the product or simplest form? 2 by 2 equal 4. 4 by 2 equal 8. 8 by 2 is equal 16. So 16 is the simplest form. 2 by 2 by 2 by 2 is the expanded form. 2 power 4 is the exponential form. Okay, but 2 power 1, what does that mean? That means I times 2 just one time. 2 power 1 equal 2. 3 power 1 equal 3. Just one time. So it's itself. Okay? 5 power 1 equal 5. 7 power 1 equal 7. 9 power 1 equal 9. And the number 1. Number 1. It's 1. 2 the power of any number is itself. What does that mean? 1 power 1 equal 1. 1 power 2 equal 1 by 1 equal 1. 1 power 3, 1 by 1 also equal 1. So 1 with any number of power to the power of any number, to the power of 1, to power of 2, to power of 3, it's always equal 1 itself. Also note 2, the second power. What's the meaning of second power? Second power, any number, x power 2. Okay? We have third power. Third power means x power 3. X is any number with power 2. I called it the second power of x. The second power of x, or 2 power 2, the second power of 2. 3 power 2, the second power of 3, and so on. It's called square. I can call that square of 3, square of 2, square of x. Okay? So second power, I called it square of a number. Okay? So 3 power 2, I called it 3 to power of 2. Okay? Or I called it square of 3. Okay? Okay. Now, the power of 3 is power 3. Let's call it third power. Third power, or what? Or cube of this power. Okay? Now we have an example for 7 power 2. 7 power 2 read as the square of 7, or 7 with power 2 to the power of 2. 6 power 3 read as the cube of 6. Cube of 6, or square of number. It means this number with power to power of 2. Cube of 6 means 6 power 3. Go to the first example. Complete the following table. This table we have some given like 2 power 3, 7, 2, 3 by 3 by 3 by 3, and we have some blanks space. Okay? Okay, first we have exponential form 2 of power 3. Where is the base? The base is 2. Where is the exponent? Exponent is the power, or called index. Right? Okay. Exponent is 3 because it's 2 to power 3. Expanded form, it's repeated form. 2 times itself 3 times. 2 by 2 by 2. Simplest form is the product of operation. Simplest form, 2 by 2, 4 by 2 equal 8. Okay. Next one, we have 7 base and 2 exponent. Where is the base? Put here and exponent up. Okay. Expanded form, that means 7 by 7. 2 times. Sorry. 7 by 7. How many times? 2 times. Simplest form, what's the product? 7 by 7 equal 49. Okay. Last one. Here we have blank, blank, blank. Expanded form or the repeated form, 3 by 3 by 3 by 3. How many 3 here? We have 4 3. So 3 is the base and 4 is the power. Base 3, power 4. Okay. Simplest or the product, 3 by 3 equal 9. 9 by 3 equal 27. 27 by 3 equal what? 3 by 27. Don't use calculator, just use your mind. Okay, we have 27 by 3. 3 by 7. 21, right here 1. Up to 3 by 2 equals 6 plus 8 plus 2 equal 8. So it's 81. It's easy. Don't use calculator. It's good for you. Okay, next. Now let's check our understanding. Complete the following table. It's the same idea. Okay, we have here base. Base what? We have base 5. What is the exponent? I don't know, it's blank. What's the exponential form? I don't know it. But I have the exponent form, the expanded form, sorry. Expanded form tell us it's 5 by 5 by 5. So 5 is the base. Nice. What's the exponent? Exponent or power is the number of 5. We have 3 times. So now, what's the exponential form? Exponential form by power. I can put it base 5 and power of 3. 5 power 3 is exponential form. Simplest form is the product. 5 by 5 equal 25. 25 by 5, it's easy, 125. Or you can use algorithm multiplication. Next, base, blank. Exponent or the power, okay, 4. So 4 is the power. Well, we have also the expanded form, 2 by 2 by 2 by 2. So, how many times here? We have 4 times. Yes, exponent is 4. But what is the base? The base is 2. 2 is the base. Exponent 4. So, he multiplied 2 by itself 4 times. The exponential form is 2 power 4. Okay, simplest form or the product, 2 by 2 equal 4, 4 by 2 equal 8, 8 by 2 equal 16. Last one, what is the base? What's the exponent? I don't know, but I know about the exponential form. The exponential form, we have here 9 as base, 2 as exponent or power. We can know the expanded form to repeat 9 2 times. To repeat 9 2 times. To find the product or the simplest form, 81. Okay. Learn number 2. Ordering of operation and exponent. We know about ordering operation the previous year, okay? But now we have a new content of exponents. First, what's the importance of ordering operation? To avoid getting more than one answer. What does that mean? Note with me. We have mathematical expression 2 by 3 plus 4. Okay? Ordering without any order, 2 by 3 equals 6, 6 plus 4 equal 10, right? Okay. If we do our operation order, I start from left to side. First, we know to do parentheses. We have no parentheses here, but we have multiply and add. We start with times and divide from left to right. Then we start with plus or minus from left to right. But here it's okay. Know with me. If it was 2 plus 3 by 4, what's the answer? If I start from left to side, 2 plus 3 equal 5. 5 by 4 equal 20. Okay? The same question, 2 plus 3 by 4. If I use our order operation, I start with what? With multiply, then with add. 3 by 4 equal 12. 12 plus 2 equal 14. Now we have the same question with different answer. So now the importance of ordering operation to get the same answer. Okay, maybe some student get this answer and some student get this answer. Okay, someone use operation order and the other haven't used operation order. Okay, so it's false because he start with what? He start with plus before times. No, our role, okay, to start with parentheses, then times or divide from left to right, then plus or minus from left to right. This order of operation we know about, okay? But now we have exponent. So if I have exponent in my question, okay, like that. Here we have example 3 by 5 minus parentheses 4 minus 2 of power 2 divided 4. Divided 4. Note with me. Easy to start with what? Start with parentheses. Then multiply or divide from left to right. Then plus or minus from left to right. But now we have some exponent. Note with me order of operation. First, do operation. Do operation inside what? Inside parentheses. Always start with parentheses. Parentheses, okay, it's called it parentheses. Okay, start with parentheses. Then what? Second, exponent or exponent after parentheses. Then what? Then multiply or divide. Multiply or divide. From what? From left to right. Last operation order is add and subtract from left to right. Okay. We have application here. Now this example we have parentheses and power and divide, multiply and subtract. Okay, now he start with what? Start with parentheses. 4 minus 2 equal what? Equal 2. Note with me, 3 by 5, it's the same. Divided 4, it's the same. He just solves the parentheses. It's the first step. Second of parentheses, exponent. We have 2 power what? 2 power 2. That's mean repeat 2 times. 2 by 2 equal 4. 2 by 2 equal 4. No change here, no change here. It's the same. Second or third, multiply and divide. We have here multiply, subtract, divide. Start with multiply and divide from left to right. So first multiply, then divide. Multiply of 3 by 5 equal 15. Then divide. Okay. Then divide 4 by 4. 4 by 4 first. Okay. So he start with multiply, then divide, because multiply to the left of the operation and divide to the right, sorry. So he start with multiply, then divide. 3 by 5 equal 15, and this part not change. Okay, then 4 by 4 equal 1, and 15, there's no change of 15. Next last operation, he did the subtraction operation. Okay, let's get the first example about that topic. Here we have 3 examples. Start with example A. Example A here, we have plus, minus, multiply, power or exponent, and parentheses. Of course, start with what? With parentheses. Okay, so 9 minus 2 equal what? Equal 7. Okay, then after parentheses, start with exponent. You have 3 power 2. 3 power 2 equal what? Equal 9. After exponent, start with multiply, and we have times and plus. So start with times. 7 times 9 equals 63. Last or finally add plus 12 plus 63 equal 75. Go to our check to solve it with each other. Check your understanding. Use order of operation and exponent to simplify the following. Start point A. Here we have 7 power 2 minus 3 by parentheses of 15 minus 10 divided 3. Now, remember our order operation to start with what? To start with parentheses. So, where is the parentheses? Parentheses here. Any other terms itself. 7 power 2 minus 3 by the parentheses divided 3. Now, what's the answer or the result of the parentheses? Parentheses have minus 15 minus 10 equal 5. Okay. Now, our expression, we have power minus times divide. After parentheses, we have to do the exponent. 7 by 2, it means 7 by 7. 7 by 7 equal what? Equal 49. And the rest of term as itself without any change. Now, our expression 49 minus 3 by 5 divided 3. So, we have here minus times divide. Start with what? Times and divide from left to side. From left to side, you find that we have First multiply, then divide. So start with what? With multiply. So 49 and divide the 3 itself, okay, and minus here 3 by 5 equal 15. Now we have minus and divide, of course first divide, okay, so 49 itself minus what? 15 divided 3. 15 divided 3 equal what? 15 divided 3 equal number times 3 equal 15. What's this number? Just 5, because 5 by 3 equal 15. Okay? Okay, and the last one, 49 minus 5 equal 44. And this is the final simplify of our expression. Okay, next expression, 17 minus 11 inside parentheses plus 3 by 4 power 2 plus 8. Directly start with parentheses. 17 minus 11 equals 6, and the other term itself. Okay, so we do what? We do first parentheses. After parentheses we do power, okay, or exponent. So 6 plus 3 by 4 power 2 equal 4 by 4. 4 by 4 equal 16. Okay? Okay, next we do first parentheses, then we do power, then start with multiply or divide. We have just here multiply, so start with multiply. 3 by 16. I don't know what's the answer of 3 by 16. It's easy. Okay, here we have 8. Okay, easy way. 3 by 16. 3 by 6 equal 18. 8 and carry up 1. 3 by 1 equal 3. 3 plus 1 equal 4. Okay, now we have plus and plus. So start with any one of them. It's the same. Add 6 plus 48 plus 8. Start with 6 plus 8 equal what? Equal 14. 4 and carry up 1. 1 plus 4 equal 5. Plus what? Plus 8 equal 4 plus 8 equal 12. 2 carry up 1. 1 plus 5 equal 6. So the final result of the expression is 62. Is what? Is 62. And now we reach to the end. And thank you.